Hey there, adventurers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Top Tech World. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The top 5 best action cameras in 2023. Whether you're into extreme sports, capturing your travel adventures, or vlogging your daily life, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest action cameras on the market. You can buy these action cameras from the links that are given in the description below. So let's get right into it. Number 5. Akaso V50 Elite. The Akaso V50 Elite is a budget-friendly action camera that packs a punch in terms of features and performance. With 4K video recording at 60 fps, it produces stunning high-quality footage that rivals more expensive competitors. The camera's electronic image stabilization, EIS, ensures your shots remain smooth even in shaky conditions, making it perfect for capturing action-packed moments. The V50 Elite's built-in touchscreen is responsive and user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation through settings and playback. You can control the camera with voice commands, which is a convenient feature for hands-free operation. The camera also comes with a wireless wrist remote for added control and convenience. One of its standout features is the adjustable view angle, offering choices of wide, medium, and narrow perspectives, catering to a variety of shooting styles. The camera is also equipped with a robust 20-megapixel sensor, which delivers sharp and vibrant photos. With a waterproof housing, the Akaso V50 Elite can be taken underwater up to 131 feet, 40 meters, making it suitable for snorkeling and other water-based activities. The camera offers time-lapse and slow-motion recording options, giving you creative freedom in your videography. The Akaso V50 Elite's Wi-Fi connectivity allows for seamless sharing of your content with your smartphone, and the camera supports external microphones for better audio quality. While it may not have the same brand recognition as some of its competitors, the V50 Elite proves that quality action cameras don't have to break the bank. It's a fantastic choice for beginners, outdoor enthusiasts, and those on a budget, offering impressive performance and versatility at an affordable price. Number 4. Insta360 ONER. The Insta360 ONER is a groundbreaking modular action camera that redefines versatility in the action camera market. With the ability to swap out lenses and modules, it offers a level of flexibility rarely seen in the industry. The ONER's modular design allows you to switch between a 360-degree lens, a 4K wide-angle lens, and a 1-inch Leica lens, all in a single unit. This adaptability makes it perfect for capturing a wide range of creative shots, from immersive 360-degree content to razor-sharp 4K videos and high-resolution photos. The camera's flow state stabilization is a standout feature, providing incredibly smooth footage, even in the most challenging shooting conditions. Whether you're hiking, biking, or engaged in other high-action activities, the ONER delivers steady and shake-free videos. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate settings and playback. The Insta360 app offers an array of creative features, including AI-powered editing tools, automatic tracking, and dynamic cinematic effects. It's a great tool for post-production, allowing you to enhance your content easily. Waterproof up to 16 feet, 5 meters, without an additional case, the ONER can handle underwater adventures and various weather conditions. Its time-lapse and hyperlapse capabilities open up new creative opportunities for storytelling. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can control the camera remotely and edit your content on the fly using your smartphone or tablet. The ONER is also compatible with a wide range of accessories and mounts, expanding its capabilities further. Number 3. Sony RX0 Mark EU. The Sony RX0 Mark EU is a compact and powerful action camera that excels in delivering exceptional image quality and versatile shooting options. This third iteration in the RX0 series is well equipped to capture stunning 4K videos and high-resolution photos. At the heart of the RX0 Mark EU is a 1-inch Exmor RSCMOS sensor, which is larger than what most action cameras offer. This sensor, combined with the BIOM-ZX image processor, results in impressive low-light performance and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or challenging low-light conditions, this camera consistently produces sharp and vibrant images. The 4K video recording capabilities at 30 fps ensure that your footage is of the highest quality, allowing you to capture every detail of your adventures. The camera also supports super slow motion video recording at 1000 fps, making it ideal for capturing dramatic moments. The RX0 Mark EU is impressively compact, and it's also waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without the need for an external housing. This feature makes it perfect for underwater exploration and adventure sports. Controlling the camera is made easy with the 1.0 Type 3.5-inch touchscreen display, which is responsive and user-friendly. The camera offers advanced features like real-time eye autofocus, face detection, and fast hybrid AF, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless sharing and remote control via the Imaging Edge mobile app. Additionally, the camera can be controlled remotely using the ARM-UC1 wrist-worn remote, enhancing its usability during action-packed activities. The Sony RX0 Mark EU is a premium action camera that combines outstanding image quality, impressive slow-motion capabilities, and rugged build quality. It's a fantastic choice for adventurers and content creators who demand high-quality visuals in a compact, versatile package. While it may come at a higher price point, its performance and features make it a top contender in the action camera market. Number 2. DJI Action 3. The DJI Action 3 is an exceptional addition to the action camera market, showcasing DJI's commitment to innovation and performance. With its cutting-edge features and impressive capabilities, it's poised to be a game-changer in the action camera world. One of the standout features of the Action 3 is its 5K video recording capability, which delivers incredible detail and clarity. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action sequences or capturing the beauty of the great outdoors, this camera ensures your footage stands out. The 1/2 3-inch sensor and high-quality lens further enhance the video and photo quality. For those who love low-light shooting, the Action 3 excels with its low-light mode, allowing you to capture vivid and clear images even in challenging lighting conditions. This feature is a game-changer for capturing adventures after dark. The camera's compact design is both rugged and waterproof up to 36 feet, 11 meters, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities, including snorkeling and surfing. The protective housing adds an extra layer of durability for extreme adventures. The Action 3 offers a user-friendly 2.25-inch touchscreen display, ensuring easy navigation through settings and playback. Voice control further enhances convenience, allowing you to capture shots hands-free. One of its unique features is the modular design, which lets you customize the camera with optional add-ons like a front screen, LED light, and external microphone. This adaptability caters to a variety of shooting scenarios, whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or capturing action-packed moments. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling you to control the camera remotely and transfer files to your mobile device effortlessly. The Action 3 is also compatible with DJI's Mimo app, providing various creative features and intelligent shooting modes. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Whether you're capturing action shots or stunning landscapes, the Hero 10 Black delivers exceptional image quality. The camera's intuitive 2.27-inch touchscreen display simplifies The camera is also compatible with a wide range of GoPro accessories and mounts, expanding its usability for various shooting scenarios. And there you have it, our top 5 best action cameras for 2023. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just looking to capture your daily adventures, there's an action camera on this list for you. Each of these cameras offers something unique, so make sure to consider your needs and budget before making a choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. If you already own one of these cameras or have a different favorite, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.